Welcome. Today, we're diving into the essentials of Schedule C and Schedule C. And Schedule C, two crucial forms for anyone navigating the world of self-employment. Whether you're a freelancer, an independent contractor, or a small business owner, understanding these forms can make a significant difference in your financial journey. Let's start with Schedule C, which stands for profit or loss from business. This form is your go-to for reporting business, income, and expenses. If you're self-employed and earned income from your own business, this is the form you'll need to file. It's not just a formality. It plays a vital role in determining your net profit or loss. This net profit then flows into your Form 1040 and is what triggers your self-employment tax. Plus, it allows you to claim deductions that can lower your taxable income, which is always a win. Here's a quick tip from Mannoe. Keep detailed records of your receipts, mileage logs, and invoices. This documentation is essential to support every deduction you claim, ensuring you maximize your benefits while staying compliant. Now, let's talk about Schedule C, which stands for self-employment tax. This form is used to calculate the Social Security and Medicare taxes owed on your net business income. If you have $400 or more in net self-employment income, you'll need to file this form. It's important for sole proprietors, freelancers, gig workers, and single-member LLCs alike. So, how does it work? First, you take your net profit from Schedule C, multiply it by 92.35% to get your net earnings, and then apply the 15.3% self-employment tax rate. Don't forget, you can report half of this self-employment tax as a deduction on your Form 1040, specifically on Schedule 1. A helpful tip from Mannoe: if you anticipate owing more than $1,000 in taxes, consider making quarterly estimated payments to avoid any penalties. Understanding these forms is crucial for your business. It helps you stay compliant with IRS rules, maximize your deductions, and ultimately build financial confidence and clarity. At Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services, we're here to simplify the complex so you can focus on what truly matters: growing your business and empowering your community. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider following us for more insights. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to call us at 305-469-1209 or visit our website at mannoetax.com. We're here to help you every step of the way.